Hello everyone, this is just going to be a short video of the ADEMCO 685 receiver. I have just received the central station receiver and I think it's pretty cool. The displays do not flicker like that in real life. That's just a refresh rate thing. So here's what the inside of the receiver looks like. It's a little bit warm, so I think this thing got a little bit hot. So we have 4 line cards right here. This, I believe, is the serial card. I'm not too certain what this is, but I think this is the prom card. And this is just the card that interfaces the front panel. Over here, we just have the power supply, which is ginormous with its all this capacitors and transformers. And here is what the back of the 685 looks like. I have it currently connected to automation, so that's why it's plugged in there. Right now I'm just testing out the phone line, so I just have an ATI connected to one of the telecom connections, and then this thing has a giant fan that moves massive amounts of air, and it just connects it via the standard C16 cable. And this receiver works and it connects to automation perfectly. So just so we have an example, we can pull up. Looks like my 600 just got a report over there. So we can see the automation output over here. So let's go ahead and go to the fire panel, and we can just pull the sync module. There we go. Now it should be dialing. So once the call goes through, the red LED will show up. There we go. There we go. There's the event code. And it should. There goes the trouble right there for the test account. And then to clear the buzzer, you can just hit this to acknowledge it. And then this button's a little bit finicky, so I have to turn it a little. There we go. Display gets cleared off the screen. Unfortunately, my front drawer panel right here does not work, and I can't seem to do. Huh, that's new. Okay, so maybe it does work, but I don't think that is supposed to do that, because this is the set time, and interesting. But it's supposed to let you change the date and time. Unfortunately, that doesn't seem to currently be working. And apparently, if you set it to time, it does that. So it needs a little bit of TLC. But other than that, that's a short look over of the ADEMCO 685 central station receiver.